This is a bit of a different video from me. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Natasha and I do makeup and gardening content, and I will have kitchen content to come. Today we are going to be cleaning some makeup and sanitizing some makeup. I picked all of this stuff up off Marketplace. It's all lightly used. Some of it's not even used. This one still has the tape on it. And I'm just going to show you what I do when I buy things from secondhand to clean it up and make it safe to use. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I do, first thing I need is some isopropyl alcohol. This is to sanitize the makeup and the packaging. And then I also get some wipes, like cleansing wipes. I like to get ones that are preferably have bacteria, removes bacteria, or antibacterial, because they don't all do that. And then what I do is I just spread them all out and open them all up and spray them with alcohol. So I'll spread them all out and open them all up, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've spread them all out, and the first thing I'm going to do is spray them all with the alcohol and let that evaporate off, and then I'm going to get the wipes, and I'm going to wipe down all the containers, inside, outside, the mirrors, even the one that isn't opened. This one still has the tape on it, is quite clearly untouched inside. I'm just going to clean the outside of it with the wipe to make sure there's no bacteria hanging around on the outside. And then after I wipe it, I may go through and spray it with the alcohol again. I mean, I picked all these up on Facebook for like a bargain price, and I had been like, Colourpop is a bit hard to get here. I have noticed some of them are a little on the dry side, and if I get my hands on some fluidity or anything like that, I can revive them. And as for the Revolution palettes, I had also wanted to try those. Apart from the Friends X Revolution palettes, I hadn't really tried the brand, so I'm quite excited. I don't think all the palettes are for me. Maybe I can gift one or two of them, but yeah, I'll see how we go. So I'll just show you what I do. My bottle is getting a bit low, so I'm having a bit trouble spraying it on an angle, but yeah, you get the idea. I'm just going to let that evaporate off, and I'll go through and start cleaning with the wipes. Okay, that's all the cleaning done. So now I'm just going to go through and spritz them all again, just for good measure. And after about 10 minutes, they should be good to close up and put away. So, yeah. Okay, that's it for this video. That's all good to go. I just some of those Super Shocks are a little bit dry, on the drier side, so I will need to get something to revive them. But other than that, I think yeah, I think they're all good to go now. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.